have you wondered, like, have you asked yourself why most of the South African men, they have bald head, their head looks like bofrot, or their hair looks like some toe or scrotum like that? Because like, yo, there is no correct baba in that town. And God being so good in Enya Ghana for ma woba yeti wobe mo haircuts nice. Nasty scene and uncard no but na Ghana for no was so wood. You people still don't want to show them respect. South African besiafu mwenye mo poor inya yem besiafu ya. Them they come there, they give you nice hairstyle. Tell me which lady in South Africa knows how to style hair than a Ghanaian lady. Untalented people like South Africans. You see, so when I see you people fooling like that, I feel so sad that you are South Africans. Obinkade bass, my nigga. So I came across videos when you guys went to, loot shops. And you see, you can be very pathetic to the extent that you went to loot Panweku. Do you know Panweku? Pan. You see, the last thing you see a Ghanaian stealing is bread. Then you go and steal bread and mineral in the Nezashe fridge. Mebo, dame 3 months. Now I'm to 2 stores in. After the 3 months, where would you get this bread to loot? You see, I keep on saying common sense is not common. Sense is not for sale. The only sense that is for sale is in Ghana. That is high sense. Apart from that, you won't get any sense. And I think high sense should go to South Africa and start selling even some of these gadgets. High sense. Once they have these high sense products in their house, they'll start learning sense. Because tell me how. Mutsu kronu mu adza wa friend insani dwuma musi munsua bida insanom eri tutu bra sansa bra na ka South Africa for yeah. You think I'm going to speak English throughout so that Mona? Yes. You see, you think we had no place to go? Ya befie. Ebe. Ya this show azu wo fio yo. You see all those people, you drove them out, they came home and you saw the packages we gave them. It would take 6 months for a South African to earn what we gave them on that day. Yeah, broke niggas, Yeah. That would cost a free day. Now, you see, fitting down, come there, travel and toss the advert to the South Africa package, but so one, a crying pokum. South Africa be town where be country where human being they go. You go and I'm an HIV live from. So butter from Kotsi one bangini na butter. So baze. In the debia sound one I'm punching. You guys should go and look for some audio translator because me decimal pa we are Jimufo. Yes, South Africans. And I'm not going to exclude anyone. Me your train. Bien film. Zamunyima de monko kuku abe minjamwana one fanya cho one shana one yantal. Na mama 6 months po come on bedzum wo krom one obe chain 83. Akwa adwofo number 1, number 2, number 3. Lazy ass people. Nyamya ya mwadom na ibinu aba krom ho sebi wabeja benjuma. They came to fix nails. Wabebe fixing nails. They came to fix hair. Kwasiadon kwatsi ukrobesi aba South Africa ni penye because how Jacinta Obatuma na Ghana why them kwasi 2 days. Hey, that's a Jacinta mpode o man penyin biampo approach Rap fellow Ghanaians but chana so man one time. You understand? Inti I say damn South Africa for the one forget one. Yenu anomna ya be fie ya ma wana atena sen meti do obi so rekede wa be wo mo nye HIV test mpocho. Wo kwe wanke medi. Mwankasa they already depressed. Mamu baka kan sembi so mungu wana abe mu ma binu mo nsha won wa konfo. It is very difficult to leave a country without coming back with anything. Wabefie ne busuafo ma fam be hye na aroba na ekọ South Africa na de baade be nya wusadu na de be mo pocho nso hwe wo yo tumtunyin pa bia asam na aba yanyim mbre bia abase ne ko Ghana fa wo fi Nigeria ben na aroba wo de hye wanan wala fi Lagos be de baade be yesra wan mamo bia nyi South Africa Ghanaian bi ofi South Africa kan ham no kaka nchene wala ko South Africa kedi 20 years be nya wusadu na de be da bi obe wo mani fiora suami anyama wom. Let's love them. Let's show them some love. Aye. Oye dena yes ko na na yeta from. Sebe wohwa oye kitikiti dem pontum nkafo bi ne de onye wayere nkada ona na bo use oro mumpa wo ze wa anya no che ya ze yeseka ya anyi. Yenso wo mu. Wontum mpo on wa abo anu na afie so ye mpo won. Let's hold them. Let's love them. These are our known people. Pakorichi. Sense is not for sale. The only sense I want to Chroma or high sense. Bass.
The matter chop hot.
Asemene diloto. Hey!
Aye.
All be lie.